understand electron affinity. Electron affinity. This is the structure of atom in which nucleus is present and this is a valence shell. If electron is entered or added to the valence shell, electron is added to the valence shell, energy is released. This energy released is known as electron affinity. Simply we can write X gaseous neutral isolated atom, X gas. If electron is taken, then it is forming X minus, negative ion. Plus energy. This is known as electron affinity. So electron affinity is positive. Energy is released here. Therefore we can say the process is exothermic. Delta H is negative. So it is also known as delta H electron gain enthalpy. Delta H electron gain enthalpy. So EA is positive, then delta H is equal to negative. Electron gain enthalpy and electron affinity are related. As electron gain enthalpy is equal to minus electron affinity minus 5 by 2 RT. So electron gain enthalpy and electron affinity both have same value but different symbol or different sign. Electron gain enthalpy is equal to minus electron affinity. Now, successive electron affinity. Taking atom X in a gaseous state plus electron, it will give X minus plus EA1. X minus plus electron will give X2 minus plus EA2. But here we have to remember EA1 is generally positive, but EA2 is compulsory or always negative. Why it is negative? Because when we add second electron in X minus is already negatively charged. And added electron is also having negatively charged. So because of inter-electronic repulsion, energy is to be given to add second electron in X minus, and that is why EA2 is always negative. From this we can define electron affinity. Definition of electron affinity: the energy is released when electron is added to neutral gaseous isolated atom, that energy is said to be electron affinity. Now consider one question in which nitrogen, by gaining 3 electron, converts to N3 minus. Nitrogen by taking 3 electrons converts to N3 minus. Nitrogen plus electron will give N minus. Electron affinity 1, positive. N minus plus electron will give N2 minus. Electron affinity 2 is generally negative. N2 minus plus electron will give N3 minus. EA2 is negative. N minus removed. N2 minus removed. So N plus 3 electron will give N3 minus ion. So EA1 plus EA2 plus EA3 smaller 0. EA1 plus EA2 plus EA3 smaller 0. Therefore, delta H electron gain enthalpy or electron gain enthalpy, delta H Eg or electron gain enthalpy will be greater than 0. Delta H electron gain enthalpy will be greater than 0. Polyatomic anion like N3 minus, O2 minus, etc. The process is endothermic. Delta H is equal to positive. For elements present in group number 18 like neon, krypton, xenon, radon, etc. Let us consider for neon. Electronic configuration of neon 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. We want to understand what about electron affinity of the elements present in group number 18. Here the electronic configuration of neon is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. If electron is to be added, then it will go in the next higher principal quantum number. That is 3s, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, and it will be 3s1. Means electron will have to move to principal quantum number. N is equal to 3. Already it is stable. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6 is stable octet configuration. Stable octet electronic configuration. Even if we want to add this electron, it means electron affinity is 0 or we can say very less. Electron affinity is 0 or we can say very less. Same way we understand formation of Cl to Cl minus ion, and we want to study EA2, that is electron affinity 2 for chlorine. Chlorine electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2 and 3p5. Total Z is equal to 17. So 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2 and 3p5. Total 7 electrons are present. If an electron is given, then it will be Cl minus 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2 and 3p6. Electronic configuration will become stable. electronic configuration will become stable. So we can say EA1 is positive, means energy will be liberated when Cl is converted to Cl minus. But after Cl minus to Cl2 minus, Cl minus to Cl2 minus, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2 and 3p6. Next electron, if we want to add the next electron, then next electron has to enter in next principal quantum number, and that is why energy is required to add next electron. Therefore we can say electron affinity 2 for Cl minus will be less. That is, we can write energy is to be supplied to enter next electron. So EA2 is less, or we can write 0. Very less or 0. Now we understand factors on which electron affinity depends. First factor, atomic size. Electron affinity inversely proportional to atomic size. It means that less atomic size more electron affinity, and more atomic size less electron affinity. Let us understand, taking example, addition of electron in valence shell and addition of electron in this valence shell. Size is more. Size is more, atomic size is more, so electron affinity will be less. And here size is less or small, EA is more. Second point, first point is atomic size. Now understand second point. Second point we can take electronic configuration. For stable electronic configuration, like P3, D5 and F7, half-filled P, D and F orbitals. Half-filled P3, D5 and F7, because of half-filled structure is stable electronic configuration, EA is less or 0. If P6, D10 and F14 electronic configuration is present, then it is fully filled. In this case also, electron affinity is less or 0. Third factor, that is nuclear charge. More is the nuclear charge, more will be the electron affinity. More will be the nuclear charge, more will be the electron affinity. Because as nuclear charge increases, size of atom decreases and therefore electron affinity increases. Now, trend of electron affinity along a period and down a group. General trend. General trend of electron affinity in period as we move from left to right increases, but down a group decreases. This is the general trend, but there are some exceptions. Exceptions for second period element. The elements present in second period are lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine and neon. Expected trend of electron affinity is Li smaller be, smaller b, smaller c, smaller n, smaller o, smaller f, smaller ne. But because of electronic configuration, we have to reshuffle the order of electron affinity. Electronic configuration of Li 1s2, 2s1. For Be it is 2s2. For boron 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. For carbon 2p2. For nitrogen 2p3. For oxygen 2p4. For fluorine 2p5. And for Ne it is 2p6. Octet is completed in the case of neon. In the case of nitrogen, it is half filled. 3 electrons are present in nitrogen 2p orbital, so it is stable. Therefore, electron affinity is less. Now for beryllium, 1s2, 2s2, full filled. So it is also stable. In case of lithium, after gaining 1 electron, it will become stable. On the basis of all the factors, if we want to arrange the electron affinity trend in second period, then we can write the trend will be Ne smaller be, smaller n, smaller b, smaller li, smaller c, then o and then last f. So in second period, the electron affinity trend will be Ne smaller be, smaller n, smaller b, smaller li, smaller c, smaller o, smaller f. Same way we will study variation in different groups. Variation of electron affinity. Variation means different than general trend. group number 14, group number 15, 16 and group number 17. The elements present in group number 14 carbon, silicon, germanium, tin and plumbum or lead. In group number 15, the elements present are nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth. For group number 16, we will not take polonium, and group number 16 we will take only fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. For group number 14, electron affinity order is changed from carbon and silicon. So electron affinity order for group number 14 elements we can write Si greater C greater Ge greater Sn greater Pb. For group number 15, again the order is reversed from phosphorus and nitrogen. So electron affinity order of the elements present in group 15 is P greater N greater As greater Sb greater Bi. For group number 16, least electron affinity is of oxygen. So order of electron affinity for group number 16 is S greater Se, S greater Se, greater Te greater O. Least electron affinity of oxygen. For group number 17 again, the order is reversed. For fluorine and chlorine, order of electron affinity for group number 17, it is chlorine greater fluorine greater bromine greater iodine. Now for group number 17 or for any group, general trend is changed because of, let us understand for chlorine and fluorine. Electronic configuration of fluorine is Z is equal to 9, 1s2, 2s2 and 2p5. Z is equal to 9. For chlorine, Z is equal to 17. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2 and 3p5. Here we can say that electron when added, it is entered to principal quantum number n is equal to 2. Principal quantum number n is equal to 2. So electronic repulsions are strong in the case of chlorine, but as the size of chlorine is more than fluorine, electron enters to 3p orbital. Electron enter to 3p orbital. Because size is more, electronic repulsions will be less and it will be easy for that incoming electron to stay over there, and that is why order is reversed and the order is found to be chlorine greater bromine greater iodine.